Hello guys, today I'm going to show you how can you convert your speech into words or sentences. This is very simple and will help you a lot if you have documents in a hard format, and if you want to convert it into text, it will help you a lot. What you need to do, you just have to press window button and H. It will initiate or it will activate your microphone, and this microphone will start listening to you or converting your speech into words. And for example, there have some limitation of this. It will not convert the line or stop the sentence until and unless you say full stop. Then you have to press enter to start the new sentence, and when you want to start a new sentence, you have to press the microphone button again. Okay team, let's have a meeting today at sharp 3 p.m. and don't forget to bring your necessary documents. See you there. Bye. So this is how it works. I hope you like this video. Bye bye.